Now it's time to turn our form live. We'll go ahead and publish it here. And Reform provides us with a unique URL leading directly to our form. This is useful in cases where you'd like to send the user to this particular URL to complete the form. However, for other cases, you may want to embed the reform directly on your website. If we navigate to the Share tab, you'll note we have two different options to accomplish this. The Embed option, which is an embeddable iframe, you'll find the code here with some simple customizations depending on your website design, or our headless option. This is more appropriate for advanced users. Please note that a lot of the built-in reform logic and validation will not be applicable if you utilize the headless option. However, this gives you the base HTML format as well as the action to collect the responses within Reform.